Hi there, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the empty can assessment. So what is the empty can assessment or test? Rotator cuff injuries affect the muscles and tendons that make up the shoulder joint. These injuries are more common in middle-aged adults and those who compete in sports or partake in an active lifestyle that requires upper arm movement. Medical professionals often use the empty can test to diagnose a rotator cuff injury. Also known as the Job's test, this assessment tool can provide insight into the strength of the person's shoulder. In the empty can test, the patient is asked to hold their arm out in front of them with the elbow slightly bent and the thumb pointing up. Then they're asked to turn their wrist so the palm faces outwards. From this position, they're asked to slowly raise the arm, keeping it in line with the shoulder, with the clinician looking for any signs of pain or weakness. There are a variety of healthcare professionals who can use the test, however, it is commonly used by physical and occupational therapists. Here's how to use an empty can test effectively. The first step is to complete name and date. The second step is to read over the instructions and reminders, as well as conduct the test. Finally, you'll then need to integrate the results within the treatment plan. To view a sample assessment of the empty can test, feel free to visit carepatron.com. You can also access the test via Carepatron's platform, filter by community and assessment, or you can type in the keywords. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos in the future.